Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V40 SE and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the accounts or Google. It's up to you, I prefer this section, so let me tap on it and tap on add account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, and just tap on it to learn more and tap on I agree after the reading. Here we've got the shortcuts of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, we can remove this account whenever we want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again and it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.